Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction 7 minus 5 times 7 minus 5 over 7 minus 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of our fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 7 minus 5 times 7 minus 5 divided by denominator 7 minus 5. And here we have these two parentheses and this division. As we know, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we handle this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have this subtraction, this multiplication, and this parentheses. First, this parentheses 7 minus 5 gives us 2. Okay, so parentheses 7 minus 5 times 2 divided by, here we have 7 minus 5 again, which equals 2. Okay, and now we have inside this parentheses we have this subtraction and this multiplication. As we know, according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we have to handle this multiplication. 5 times 2 equals 10. So 7 minus 10 divided by 2. And 7 minus 10 equals negative 3. So negative 3 divided by 2, which equals negative 1.5. So our final answer to this problem is just negative 1.5.